Tatakot siya, oh. Sumusuksok siya sa gilid. Ang ganda ng buntot niya. Natatakot siya.
Maganda yung blue eh.
Natatakot siya. Maganda to, no?
Umilawa para makita natin kung talagang
But Keva is strong. And so are you. I believe in you, Sumaol. You are well equipped to lead these new friends of ours up the river to find Keva.
Uy! Tatalon.
Just be smart.
dito naman siya sa maliit. Kaya maliit lang naman siya eh.
And you do great. I
Dito,
will, Mama.
dito kayo magsama.
Wag!
Hindi, lilinisan ko eh.
There's also something to be said for alacrity. It means brisk
Ay, hindi naman
readiness.
nakakawa yung blue.
Look at the day calendar. Yeah, I know what it means.
Wait lang,
Give
Roy.
me some. I'm going as fast as I can. So it's not fast enough. Who knows what kind of
No!
things
Ay, nako.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves, Kinj. You're scaring the poor girl.
Or she
No.
needs to learn that life sometimes is a cruel mistress.
He's 14.
Mga sit down lang ha. Watch lang. Sit down. No!
She's still counting quarters.
Sit down lang. Watch lang.
3/4.
Pwede na tayo sila magsama.
No!
Thanks for everything. I'll look out for Zayna, Auntie. Love you, Mama.
I love you more.
Mag-aawayan sila. Papangit yung buntot. May
Man, we gotta keep up with the others. Go faster.
We're not that far behind, Kenji. You remember the gyrosphere on Newbar? I will not have that happen again.
Hindi naman nag-aaway eh.
mag-aaway yan.
Keep looking over my shoulder like that.
Natatakot nga yung maliit sa kanya eh.
Sorry.
No!
But, hate to break it to you, that message might be a scam.